Hi everyone. Today I'm scrapbooking this picture of my second grand, and she's either going to or fro a condo in Florida. She was with her parents and her mom got this picture of her, and it's just so cute. She's like rolling her little luggage out. She's got stuff for on the plane. So I'm thinking that this is probably to the plane. And so it's just so cute. She's wearing orange and navy, and there's a little bit of burgundy or something up there, kind of a berry color. So I am using Painted Passport by Websters Pages, and that's this page right here. And I don't even remember what was on the back of it. Oh, it's a floral that looked like this. And then the other paper I'm using, the stripe here, is from Creative Agenda, from Echo Park. And this is what the one side looked like, and the other side is the horizontal stripe. And I'm using it for this because I wanted to bring in more navy. And navy is pretty scarce in my scrapbook life. So I'm going to be putting it on this other paper. It's also from Painted Passport. And this is the one that I had used on the zoo page. And I had bought the paper at Tuesday Morning, and they must have put in extra of some and shorted others, because I actually ended up with more papers than what it said. But there was a couple papers I only had one of. So they must have figured they'd make it up that way. So I am going to tape it on here. And this was already torn, and I decided I like that, so I'm just going to use it that way. And I'm just going to kind of, I love it when I can use scraps. And this was like the perfect color. It totally matches one of her stripes in her dress. They must have been going to go home to cold weather, because it looks like her dress is pretty warm. And I was asking her mom about it. She's like, I don't even remember. And it's like, oh my gosh, these pictures. It's a good thing I've saved these pictures. And then I've got this homemade paper, and I've also torn that. Or what are they? It's not mulberry paper. That's the really thin stuff, right? Isn't it? I think this is called or just homemade paper. So I've also torn that. And then this is a piece that's left over from, see how it's like you could punch it out? It was from a card kit from probably 20 years ago. And so I am actually just going to put this on here too, because I wanted more of that navy plaid. And I had, I still make cards. Like sometimes I just whip one out if I need one. But, I really don't have time to do everything, and I just had to tell myself, you know, you can't do everything. So if you're going to be scrapbooking, you're scrapbooking. It's like, because I had too many irons in the fire. Okay, and so oh, and these, I had bought this book pad at Tuesday Morning, and everything was cut aparts. And I don't remember what the name of the pad was, but it was so awesome. It had like really neat cut aparts in it. And so one of the cut aparts was all tickets. And so I'm using the ones that match with her, and also it's an airplane, because that's what they were going to get on an airplane. So it's perfect. And I'm just going to tuck this into this place. So I think I have enough room for it here. I want to I don't want to go over this because I love this. I think it's so pretty. And it all matches well. So I'm going to put that about here. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and tape that down now. I got to commit to my spot. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I love this picture. Okay, and so I'm just giving it like an inch from the bottom. And I just don't want to overlap any of that little flower section. I thought that was so cute. And I love the colors of it with the navy and everything, so that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I gotta move this because otherwise, you know, I'll just be knocking that ATG right over. Okay, it kind of felt like it wanted to move, but I did it again. Stop that, Terry. Okay, and I'm barely gonna tuck this in because I want to see it all, even though I'll probably be laying something over it. Okay, I think I just need to pull it up a little bit. Okay. I was just talking to her mom today. She's going to a different school than her sister, so she gets to start a whole 2 weeks later. So that's something. Okay, I have this one that I think it probably looks like the luggage tag that they would connect to their luggage. And I actually have a little luggage key, so I'm gonna, back when they didn't put really heavy duty ones on there. Now everything is a little more beefed up. Okay, and I'm just gonna tie that on there with some orange twine. And I'm gonna make a little bow maybe. If I can get my fingers to work correctly. Let me see if I try it this way. Kind of upside down. No, I can get them done pretty fast as long as I'm not recording. Okay. I just thought it was another opportunity to have a little more color on the page. And, oh, maybe I want all that string, so I'm going to leave that for now. I can always cut it at the end. Sometimes one of my favorite things is just the wonky thread, you know, or the wonky twine. So sometimes I like it to be however, and sometimes I'll, you know, might just twist it around and glue it later. So let me see about that. And then I have this luggage, and it is Debbie Mum. And it's just stickers, and it's from, it just says 24 travel stickers. And so for, I think I have twice that many because I think I bought 2 of them. And so I've just put foam on half of it because of it going over all these layers. Oh, if I can get the fingers to work. All right, where's my tweezers? I don't see them. Okay. Oh, and it's got a little bird with a hat on it, and she's got luggage too, and I think that's really cute. So I'm gonna stick it down here at the bottom, just kind of have the foam where it's butted up to the one side, because I still want to be able to see this little airplane. And I probably will tape or glue down the string just so that it doesn't cover up this little airplane too. And then I've got this adventure flare, and I think I want to put that, I don't want to cover up the airplane, but I've got the title going down here. Oh, I gotta have some glue underneath this, I guess. Do that, get that stuck to there. So I want this adventure someplace. I'm gonna have the title right there, so I don't know if I want the adventure so close to that. I want to stick it up here. Decisions, decisions. I think I'm gonna put it here, even though I have the words here. Ah, I'm stuck. You know how I always get stuck to everything. Sometimes, like, I'm thinking, how come I don't have any travel stuff? I don't know. It's like, I was looking for, I have an airplane sticker, but it doesn't look like the rest of the things, so it's like, I don't want to use that. And so I thought this little flare looks like it would work. And I think I made this for a swap. Maybe like a boy theme swap. Okay, and I'm gonna stick this down here, just under the picture, I think. So I'll probably pause when I get to that. Okay, and I've got this other little ticket that just says travel, and I'm gonna stick it up in here, probably just kind of cockeyed. And just stick it kind of like that. Kind of use it as an embellishment cluster. And then she's got on sunglasses, so I found these little sunglasses in one of my summer collections. Yeah, I think it's from the same collection that, I don't know what it is. It might have been Echo Park. I got it at Tuesday morning, and it's all chipboard. Okay, do I want to put it straight? Maybe I'll put it straight since I kind of cockeyed other stuff. So, I'm not really sure what it was because I put it in my sticker binder. And then I've got this little flare that, again, I don't know where it came from. I need to just make a mental note because, like, I never even think that I need to remember this stuff. So it's like, I just don't. Okay, so I'm going to stick that little heart here. And then I have a flare that I'm going to stick here. So I'm going to, not a flare, a brad, and it's a brad that I have to poke a hole for. So I think I am going to stick it, I want it in the gray or into the orange. I think I'm going to stick it right to the orange if I can poke through all this. Okay, yes, it worked. Okay. Oh, I forgot my words are here. Nope. The going just stayed right there. The going wasn't gone. So how many of you are gardening and canning this year? I have that stuff going on. I canned some jalapenos the other day, and oh my gosh, I burnt my fingers really bad. Okay, so I've got that there, and where's my flare for over here? And I've got a flare going over here. And, oh, I was thinking I had to glue it down. No, Terry, you gotta poke a hole. Today, it's like I had so much going on in my mind, and I went to put out our vitamins, and it's like I grabbed an egg dish out of the refrigerator. It's like, no, that's not what I wanted. So anyhow, I burnt my hands pretty good on the jalapeno stuff. I must have got a, well, obviously I got a hole in my gloves, otherwise I wouldn't have been burnt. And so that was pretty annoying. I'm wondering if I should just kind of make this short, because I kind of don't want it running into the flowers up there, because I love seeing them. I think I'm just going to shorten it a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then I have my words. So I'm going to put my title on, and then I'll be back and we'll do the finishing touches. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got the title on there. And the only other thing I am going to do is I'm going to do these enamel dots. And they're Gina Marie's, and they're the ones that don't have a shiny finish. I forget what they're called. I think of them as flat. I always call them rocks because they're dull. And I'm gonna, you have to glue them down, so I'm actually gonna just put some glue here and then put them in their spot. And so I'm just going to kind of guess where I'd like them and put them there. And then I'm going to put some, do you want them here or here? Maybe I'll put them here too, kind of at the two end points of where the photo is. But I don't mix up colors very much unless, you know, it's like maybe Halloween, I might do like a mixture of colors. But I decided this one I'm gonna do a mixture because all these colors are in here. And I'm actually gonna mix them up just like this. And well, these ones I only have in the small, so it's my only option. And of course it's really stuck to the thing, but you really can't hardly get it. They will not stick to your paper at all unless you put glue on them. Oh, and I really overdone the glue on that. Okay. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna do one of these big, the pinky one medium, and then the more pink one, paler pink or whatever, I'm gonna do small. And that's gonna be it. And I am going to have close-ups at the end. So that was a quick one today to make up for that really long one that I had the last time. And so thank you for watching. Remember, if you like it, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And ring the bell so you get notifications. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.